Mr. Harmless here, and we are still in Unit 4, and I'm looking at homework number 2, and the problems I'm looking at are problems number 4 and problem number 5, okay? Let's switch colors here, so we're going to go red. Now, it says the scale factor of figure A to figure B is 4 to 5. That means A to B, so that means I'm thinking A to B. So A is in the numerator, B is in the denominator. So the scale factor is 4 to 5. So any pair of sides that match up from A to B would be 4 to 5. So I have this missing side here from A, and I've got a side that I know from B. Okay? So that means I can put this with A and down here B. Now all I have to do is cross multiply to solve this proportion, cross product property, as some people know. Always think of it as cross multiply. So 5 times x, 5x. 4 times 15 is 60, I think. Divide by 5. Then I get x equals 12. So that missing side is 12. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and do number 5 as well, because these problems don't take too long to work out. But I wanted you to see number 5 with this one because it's very similar, and even though it seems different, it really isn't. Notice again we have A to B, and let me switch over here to blue. So again we have A to B given right here, figure A to figure B. And that scale factor is 7 to 2. So I know I'm going to put A in the numerator, B in the denominator. Okay. This time it wants to find the perimeter of A. Okay. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to put an X for the perimeter of A, and I'll put it in the numerator because it's the one that I don't know, and it goes with A. But now since I put the perimeter of A in the numerator, then what needs to go in the denominator is the perimeter of B, which I can figure out by adding up these 4 numbers. So 12 plus 9 plus 9 plus 5. Let's hear 9 and 9 makes 18. 12 plus 18 makes 30 plus the 5. So we got 35. Okay. And then once you get to this point, you switch gears to algebra mode and you start solving this problem. So we're going to cross multiply. X times 2. 7 times 35 would be, let's see, 5. 245, I believe, if I did that math correctly in my head. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I'm just going to double check and make sure I'm doing my math correctly. So let's get my calculator out here. And we're going to do 7 times 35. 245. Got that right. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit divide by 2. Okay, so then we divide by 2 to figure the rest of this out, and we get x equals 122.5. Or you could leave the fraction if you wanted to. I'm always okay with that. But if you did divide it, this is what you would get. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.